everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but most people only scratch the surface. That's why I recorded this video, because I'm going to show you how you can get access to OpenAI's free official courses. So you can master ChatGPT whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or a content creator. This will save you hours of trial and error. So first step is to go to Google and write OpenAI courses. Then you need to scroll down and click where it says OpenAI Academy. So, and by the way, this is totally free, guys. So check this out. You just need to create an account and you're going to have access to these resources. For example, if you're going to use ChatGPT for your work as a user, just click here. And as well, you can have access to a community of 10,000 members. So you just need to click here where it says join community. And if you want to get access to the content, click here and check this out. Here we have all the lessons: ChatGPT fundamentals, creating images, tasks. And if I scroll down, I can load more lessons: deep search, ChatGPT for sales, ChatGPT for executives. And we have here good information. For example, if you're going to use ChatGPT for education, click here. If you are in higher education or K-12, you can click here as well. You can use ChatGPT for non-profits and for government. So in case that you want to learn about more AI tools, guys, I bought this course, AI Freedom Launchpad. As you can see on the screen, these are the lessons. It has 4 phases. For example, this course teaches you how to create images in Fall.ai, how to use syllabi to create viral faceless AI videos. So basically this course teaches people how to use other tools of AI. And as well, if you are an affiliate marketer, you can promote this and you can earn 100% profits by reselling this program. So in case that you want to get access to this course, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.